A particle P of mass 0.25 kilograms is projected horizontally with speed 5 meters per second from a fixed point O on a smooth horizontal surface and moves in a straight line on the surface. The only horizontal force acting on P has magnitude 0.2 v squared newtons, where v meters per second is the velocity of P at time t seconds after it is projected from O. This force is directed towards O. Find an expression for v in terms of t. Here is O, initial speed 5 meters per second, and the force, Newton's law, and A is equal to dV over dt. Multiply by dt and divide by v squared, we get this expression, v integral. So we get this expression plus 1 and divide by that number, we get minus, and we know the mass, and we know that when t is equal to 0, then v is equal to 5. We subtract these values here, and after add 1/20 we get the constant, and we can substitute this here back. This is 1 over v, multiply by 20v, we get this, and we add 5 and add 4 times tv, factor out v, and divide by this expression. It's not 0, we get that v is equal to 5 over 4 times t plus 1. The particle P passes through a point x with speed 0.2 meters per second. Find the average speed of P for its motion between O and x. Average speed is equal to length of the path over time. We'll use this previous result and this formula. We know that at x v is equal to 0.2. We substitute this here. We take reciprocal. It means to the power of -1, and we know that of course 0.2 is equal to 1/5. So reciprocal 5 is equal to 4 times t plus 1 over 5, multiply by 5, subtract 1, and divided by 4, we get that t is equal to 6 seconds. S is equal to integral v dt from 0 to 6. V is equal to this expression from here, and we need, this is good because derivative of 4t plus 1 is equal to 4, and we can see that these are equal, and we can use this formula. This is fx, and this is derivative f. So it is here, and we can use Newton's Leibniz formula. This is 0, we write here 6 and minus 0, so we get that s is equal to 4. So average speed is equal to 4 over 6. It's 2 over 3 meters per second. There is a second solution for s. We'll find an expression of x in terms of v. Let's see how. Statement a is equal to dv over dx x times v. Prove. We know that a is equal to dv over dt. We multiply by 1, so these are the same, and v is equal to dx over dt. Reciprocal, and after reciprocal and simplify, we get the statement. So a is equal to this expression, and we know that a is equal to force over mass, force and mass, so we get another expression a, so they are equal. Here we multiply by dx and divide by v squared, we get this expression, this equation, and integral both sides, we get this. When t is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0 and v is equal to 5. We substitute these values here, 5, 0. So we get that b is equal to ln 5. We write this here and express x minus ln 5 and divide by minus 0.8, we get x, and we know that v is equal to 0.2. Substitute it and calculate, we get the same, that x or s is equal to 4 meters.